Hey guys, मैं हूं अनिकेत भोसले और आज के इस वीडियो में I'll be reviewing Alien Romulus का 4DX version. So I have already reviewed the IMAX version of Alien Romulus and this is my second video on the 4DX version of this particular film. Now being a Punekar, I'm very happy now Pune have total 3 4DX cinemas. First at PVR Phoenix Market City, second at Cinepolis Seasons Mall, third at PVR Inox Vakad. Now the Vakad one is yet to open as a 4DX Audi because now they are playing standard films in the 4DX Audi. Talking about the Phoenix Market City, when I watched No Way Home in 4DX, I didn't felt that immersive. I felt the PVR was pretty dated and this is my personal opinion. Okay? And talking about Cinepolis Seasons Mall, I felt they recently installed the 4DX Audi and they have like the latest 4DX tech. So in my opinion, currently in Pune, Cinepolis Seasons Mall is best for 4DX experience. So if you're a Punekar, you can watch this film in Cinepolis Seasons Mall in 4DX. Let's talk about IMAX versus 4DX for Alien Romulus. Now, when I just sat on the screen, I was like, okay, I missed the huge IMAX screen. And first of all, IMAX expanded aspect ratio. Why? In IMAX, you're just not getting that extra 26% image, you're actually getting extra of aliens as well. When I saw that in the cropped version, where it's just not at 4DX but in every standard cinema, you are getting a cropped image of the alien as well, so you're seeing a full of aliens in the IMAX version. So that's when I felt IMAX को एक point तो उस चीज़ के लिए मिलना चाहिए. Point number 2, watching this film in IMAX, there were multiple jump scares जहाँ पर मैं बिल्कुल भी नहीं डरा, but in 4DX got scared because of the auditorium and your chair movements. So जब कुछ sudden music आती तो it's just like you move as well, so that really scares the shit out of you. एक point मिलता है 4DX के लिए because the jump scares feel real in 4DX. Point number 3, surprisingly I didn't had any issue with the standard audio mix of Alien Romulus in 4DX. I think 4DX have 7.1 audio systems. Thought I might feel कि यहाँ पर आवाज़ काफ़ी कम है, but I didn't feel that issue at all. The audio was just perfect, so good. So if I have to rank IMAX versus 4DX, felt both the formats did justice for this film in their own particular way. I mean, in 4DX you actually feel the film and the 4DX codes were just on point, but you're missing out on a large screen and that extra 26% image. So both the formats have pros and cons, so you just have to choose for yourself. Talking about the motion blur part, if you don't know motion blur, think about this is my hand, and when my hand starts moving, you're not able to see my hand cause of motion, and of that motion you are seeing a blurred image. That is a motion blur because you are watching a film in 24 fps. So when your chairs are moving left and right and आगे पीछे, you get that motion blur effect. But इस film में the chair motions were not that impactful, so you don't get it at all. Highlights of 4D experience. Now there was this one moment where a protagonist uses a shocker on something, I don't remember now, it's been 2 days I watched that film. So at that particular moment the flashes went up, flashes were so perfectly synchronized, I was just there. Water effects are also nicely handled in this film, where there's a one whole scene, red room, where there's water and whenever someone falls, you know, the water just splashes on your face. That was nicely handled. Whenever there's a bloodshed, water is sprinkled in your face. I've got an idea. I have Volini in here, so I'm going to show you practically. If let's say a protagonist falls or there's a blood involved, it's like so ऐसा पानी ऐसा सामने से आता है. Nicely done. Hands down, the best effect in this whole film was the goddamn wind effect. Like जब भी wind effect होता था, I was like, I have teleported in that film via this 4DX format. Like especially in the finale, there's a zero gravity scene and the space shuttle starts exploding due to the acid of the aliens and my chairs are moving, there's wind effect. I completely felt I'm there or I'm some kind of zero gravity simulator. Wind effects in 4DX was just top notch. Woo! Completed the script. Shit. Yes, thank you for watching.